Some idiot was trespassing. He filled the entire keyhole with dirt. So when I try and turn the key, it doesn't turn because it can't go in all the way. It was all a false alarm. I was just using the wrong key. So, we were supposed to have finished mowing probably 30 minutes ago, but nothing could have gone more wrong than how it did. So first, I was way over there next to the fence. I was mowing on the, I hit like a stick, you know, the usual, but the belt came off. So I had to stop using that. And then my mom lost the filter on her mower, which is right here, the filter. And then she ran over it. So she stopped mowing with that. And then on the replacement one I was using, it's now leaking gas. So I don't think we're gonna be able to finish this off here. I'm now walking home because the gasoline is still leaking out of the lawnmower. My mom didn't want to leave it. Scary. Ooh. a little hot outside. Definitely very different from Alaska. It's a wicked tree. I just took a shower after I got home, and so I just got home and took a shower. There's a big surprise on the porch. Oh yes. Microphones here. You're about to see the difference in audio quality, right? This is the new microphone. Hopefully it sounds a lot more like me. It's probably just gonna sound even, I don't know, it's just gonna sound the same except with more clarity. It's like when you listen to NPR. Time to clean up. We'll make a box this big for you. Oh.